Hello there. Yeah, this is short video about my Bing tabletop railway that I've been putting together. This is the next part two, really. So enjoy. Okay, this is an update on my Bing tabletop railway. Um, there's a few more bits put on there now, with some extra bits to kind of just add to the feel of things. There's some clockwork stuff here. I know these ones are a bit big. That's trying Minic, and that one's trying Minic as well. Lovely little cars. Yeah, yeah, definitely. That needs winding up, doesn't it? Oh, there you go. Anyway, so yes, they're very nice, and there's some Shuko ones here, which these are really nice. I love these cars, but they are quite expensive. Anyway, back to the railway. So we've got a lot of different things. I've changed this piece here with turntable. I had to cut this down, which was, I found this quite easily really to actually shorten these. So I actually cut a quarter piece and a half piece out of a full length, because I have plenty of those anyway. But I do need to make my railway, which is important. Anyway, there's a nice little set there, which is in this box. Yeah, I picked up this box recently. It's a bit big really, but I think it is Bing, and there's no name on it at all anywhere. But I'm going to put all my electric Bing tabletop in that box, and it should all fit nicely in there. So that'll make a nice presentation, won't it? Yeah, so all the different bits and pieces that I've got on here now. Some of these are nice. These actually work. Yeah, look the part, I suppose. And anyway, I've had to put some weights in some of the wagons because they do just fly off, you know, especially with the clockwork trains. So, you know, anyway, let's get something going. I'm going to have a run of this first. I've wound a few of them up, so we'll see how that runs. Bit fast, but it certainly works okay. I'm going to stop it here because I've got another train on the track here. Yeah, so yeah, very pleasing little things. This one's got a windy sort of brake for the motor, so yeah, there's a few of those like that, but this one's got the top piece that you push down, and it actually catches like a pin in the track to stop it as well on those ones. Yeah, so anyway, let's get this electric one going. I've got a H&M on it, and runs quite nicely now with the bits of weight in the coaches. No, that's come off somewhere. Does it come off? Yeah, the front bogey's come off. That's back on now. Okay, so we'll get this electric one going. Runs quite well really. Yeah, stops there and goes off again. I'm going to change this point and put this one into this siding over here. Obviously there's no electric track up there, so I'll just have to pull that along. It'd be nice to make that electric really. Okay, now I've got another one here. I'll set this one off, but I don't know how they're going to run very well yet. And so doesn't seem to want to go. Oh, there we go. There you go, that's that one. Now I'm going to put that one back in. No, it doesn't want to stop now. That's it, we'll put that one back in there out of the way. Now, we've got another one over here. Let's set this one off. This one's the push down one. I just hope it doesn't run too fast and come off. Yeah. So I just push that along to the station, right? That's it. Nice. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Very pleasing. And bye for now. I hope you like my railway, and if you want to see more, look at my other videos. If you want to put a like and subscribe for more videos that will come in the future, please do. Thanks for looking. Bye for now.